Hello student, here I am going to teach you parallel lines and angles. Parallel lines and angle. Parallel lines and angle. All of you see here, when two parallel lines A and B intersected by a transversal T, they form angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. See here, angle 1 and angle 8, corresponding angle 2, angle 1 and angle 5, corresponding angle 2, angle 6 are corresponding angle, they are equal. Corresponding angles angle 1 is equal to angle 5. These are corresponding angle. Angle 2 is equal to angle 6. Angle 2 is equal to angle 6. Angle 4 is equal to angle 8. Angle 4 is equal to angle 8. Angle 3 is equal to angle 7. Angle 3 is equal to angle 7. Now see here, interior alternate angle. Interior alternate angle. Angle 3 and angle 5 are equal. These are interior alternate angle. Angle 3 is equal to angle 5. Angle 4 is equal to angle 6. Angle 4 is equal to angle 6. Interior alternate angle. Now next, exterior alternate angle. Exterior alternate angle. Exterior alternate angle. Angle 1 is equal to angle 7. Angle 1 is equal to angle 7. Angle 2 is equal to angle 8. Angle 2 is equal to angle 8. These are exterior alternate angle. Now vertically opposite angle angles are angle 2 is equal to angle 4, angle 1 is equal to angle 3, angle 2 is equal to angle 4, angle 1 is equal to angle 3, angle 6 is equal to angle 8, angle 8 is equal to angle 6, angle 7 is equal to angle 5, angle 7 is equal to angle 5. Thanks to all of you for prescribe these videos.